Hello everyone, hi, welcome to Journal Treasures. My name is Galit, and today we are doing the 5-minute challenge. Because this is April and April have lots of holidays here, I thought this could be a nice addition here and here. And someone asked me if you can do a journal in 10 minutes. Oh, of course you can. It's not going to be a big one. It's going to be mostly 1 signature or 2 signatures. But definitely you can, and I will show you in my next video. So yeah, here I have the box full of scraps, and I am thinking of making kind of a spring. We are in April. So I have this and I really like that, and I'm thinking of making it as a tuck spot, maybe even in here. No, I think in here. So I will use that. We'll use these scraps. I want to try to utilize the tiny scraps. Okay. 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 So yeah, we have enough. And now let's start the timer. Okay, so let's start. I wanted to do a tuck spot, so I'm gonna cut here, and I'm gonna cut here. Oh, it's too big. Yeah, but I am thinking of cutting it like that. Yes. And I'm going to distress it with the ground espresso. Okay. I'm going to use double-sided tape for that. I love that. And I had this, and I thought of putting it as a tag. I'm just gonna cut it. See? Yes. closing well. And somewhere here I'm gonna cut. Good. Oops. Cut it just a bit.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine 'cause you got me.
Good. Love that. And I have these.
You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see your eyes. Your head is full of dreams. Tears are proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary.
Like that. And because this is a hard cardstock, I'm gonna use double-sided tape. And that way you can see. And I love these, but I'm gonna cut it a bit more straight. And I'm gonna use double-sided tape. Okay. I want to keep some of these because it also represents April. I have this little tag. Okay, I'm gonna take this. No. Okay. This mess. So, I still haven't finished, but I will finish this quickly. Yes. Okay. Okay, so I have here spring, and here I have place that I can journal, and here, so I will journal and I will come back. Okay, so I just journaled, and I journaled here, and here I just journaled about Joe that is enlisting to his military service, and I hope that he will be okay. Here in this little pocket of the tea bag, I just journaled about that I hope that I will be okay with all the moving and the packing and my YouTube channel, because I can already feel the stress. And in here I just wrote hello spring. And here I just wrote more about the moving and about the journaling, about the moving and packing and everything. I really wanted to keep this area clean without collaging, because this is our Independence Day and it's also coming on the end of April, so I really want to keep that. I really love how this turned out. It's so cute. I love the flip outs and all the elements that you can pull out. So that's cute. I love that. So I hope you enjoyed this journal. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!